New week, new walking. Even if I want to walk every day, I don't think I could do it. We need to rest our knee. And we don't want the arthritis to come back anytime soon yet. We want to enjoy the summer, of course. So, yeah, for this week, we're starting our walking again. Every time you decide to walk, the cloudy weather comes with the risk of rain. Then, when you decide to stay inside the house, you'll see sunshine comes up. Like, what the heck? I just want to walk. Gas update for July 23, 2024. Of course, we're resting. Usually we rest on this intersection with our walking. Then the next stop we do is at Petro, where we are gonna get our Lotto Max ticket, our winning ticket. What are we having? Bakit may fireworks? After we walk, we go grab our coffee and we continue reading. We got exactly 1 week to finish this book, at least before this month ends and before the grandest game comes out next week. So we have 1 week to finish Beach Read, my third book from Emily Henry collection. Come read with me. Oh, as you know, we have extra large cup. That means that came from our Tim Hortons points.